Hi, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm recreating my AKA Gala that I attended about 2 weeks ago. I'm recreating the whole entire look. My cousin Shantae Chapman is at AKA and she invited me, and I went along with my cousin Mary and Angela, and we had a really good time. So today I'm going to be doing makeup, hair, and outfit. If you guys have not already subscribed to my page, please do so now. Make sure to hit that notification button and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you again for watching. guys, I'm pretty much gonna leave my hair kind of like it is. I'm just gonna wand it a little bit and put like a couple loose curls in it. It's already kind of got like a curl bend to it, so I'm not really gonna do that much to it. I put the setting on 330, and I'm just gonna put like a couple curls in it. Okay, so here is the outfit that I am wearing to the AKA Gala. I have a long khaki mermaid skirt. It has, as you see, a big wide tie belt around the waist. It comes in and then it flares out at the bottom. Really beautiful skirt. I think I got this skirt from Ross a couple of years ago. As you see, it has the underlace bodice, and it makes it kind of flare out at the bottom, and then the back is longer in the back. And I paired it with a sheer ruche sleeve sheer blouse, and the ruching is going all the way down the side. I added this feather necklace. I thought it gave it a Victorian glam Hollywood look along with these earrings. I thought it just took the outfit to the next level like I wanted it to be, because this is a elegant formal event. And a studded pearl bracelet. And my skirt is really long, so you really can't even see my shoes, but I paired it with a these black shoes that have the fur around the ankle, which you really don't even see the fur around the ankle with the dress. But I just love the way it looked coming from the front of the dress when I walk. The little kind of not pointy, but kind of like have a little square point. And then I put this little bronzy sequence clutch purse with it. So this is everything I'm going to be working with today.